Hi, it is Crocodile here, and now we will be looking at modeling the modes of vibration of a metal bar. But before we go ahead, I would just like to mention a little problem that I had with videos, or try to record my screen on Linux, and the problem was flickering of the screen, and I solved it on my Arch Linux installation by falling back to the mode setting driver as recommended by the Arch Linux wiki, and to do so I just removed this XF86 video Intel driver that I had installed a bunch of years ago, and that took care of the issue. So if you are trying to record your screen on Linux and you have a lot of flickering, just have a look at your distribution documentation to see whether you can get rid of something similar to this package. I will link this wiki page in the description below. So now it's about time to start the modeling of our metal bar. So we'll just run the universal binary for FreeCAD. We will be using FreeCAD to create the geometry for our physics problem. So let's fire it up. Okay, so this is the welcome screen, and we can just go ahead and create a new document, and we can now go into the part workbench, and now we can create a cube which we're gonna select, and we will change the height to 100 millimeters. So if we hold shift and click the right mouse button, we can have a look at it. We can use the mouse wheel to zoom in and out, and the results here really look like some kind of metal bar. So we can just save the project. That's gonna be it, and I'm gonna create a new folder in my documents, and we will be putting everything in there. That's not necessary, but I like to do that. So I'm gonna call this project geometry, save, and we can actually rename this thing to metal bar, for example. That's not needed, but that's pretty neat. And we can export, and we'll export the BREP. So the first time we saved the FreeCAD project, which is a good thing to do because it is a project we can go back to and keep on editing if we need to do so. We can change all the length, width and height of our bar if we wish to, but to go ahead and use a numerical solver, we will have to select the object we want to model and then export it to a BREP file, so that the other programs that we will be using to define the mesh for our FEM solver can work with this geometry, and we will discuss this further when we get there. So for the time being, let's just export our metal bar as a BREP. And that will conclude this video.